Okay, good evening to all of you. How are you all? So guys, today I have very fantastic topic to discuss and the topic is whose life has a lot of struggle. किसके जीवन में सबसे ज़्यादा संघर्ष होते हैं, either in girls life or in boys life. एक लड़के के जीवन में ज़्यादा संघर्ष होते हैं या फिर एक लड़की के जीवन में ज़्यादा संघर्ष होते हैं. और इस डिस्कशन का जो ट्विस्ट है वो ये है कि गर्ल्स को बोलना है बॉयज़ के लिए और बॉयज़ को बोलना है गर्ल्स के लिए. सो आर यू रेडी फॉर दिस? रियली? तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं गर्ल्स से. सबसे पहले हम पूछते हैं कशिश से. कशिश, व्हाट डू यू थिंक?
According to me, sir, boys' life is very difficult because they never think about themselves. They only think about their family and their dreams, what their family wants to let him become. So only they think about their family and fill their needs and they always fulfill their wishes and they never think about themselves. They never hope to anything. And if we talk about our father, they always doing hard work and they never say that he is tired and they always keep a smile on their face.
Good. Okay, have your seat. सो कशिश थिंक्स दैट, कशिश को लगता है कि बॉयज़ के जीवन में ज़्यादा संघर्ष होते हैं. इन्हें बहुत कुछ कंप्रोमाइज़ करना होता है अपने ड्रीम को अचीव करने के लिए या कई बार इनको अपने फैमिली रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी के लिए अपने सपनों से समझौता करना पड़ता है. तो हम बॉयज़ से भी तो व्यूज़ जानेंगे क्या, क्योंकि बॉयज़ को बोलना है गर्ल्स के फेवर में. तो बॉयज़ में सबसे पहले पूछना चाहूँगा मैं शाश्वत. यस, व्हाट डू यू थिंक?
According to me, girls have many struggles. They have to do home work and they have to move the floor. They have to clean utensils. They have to make food and they are not allowed to go outside to show their talent. And they are not allowed to go other city to
means you want to say that there is lots of restriction in their life. Okay.
Yes, and there are many places there after marriage. Girls not allowed to do job. Many girls want to do job after marriage, and there are many places to they are not allowed to do job.
So, Shashwat, I want to ask you a question that even girls have lots of struggle in their life. Even they are enlightening the name of the country. They have won many medals in the Olympics, and they are enlightening the name of the country. So, what message do you want to give the people?
First, they have to struggle and don't look behind what had happened.
Yeah.
First, you have to set a goal and go ahead it.
You want to say this to all the girls, and what message is for the people?
Don't stop them. Just let him go.
Good. शाश्वत कहना चाहता है कि डोंट इम्पोज अननेसेसरी रेस्ट्रिक्शन ऑन द गर्ल्स. ज़्यादा कुछ रेस्ट्रिक्शन ना लगा. एस प्लीज हैव योर सीट. उनको जो वो करना चाहती है उन्हें करने दीजिए. सो हम गर्ल्स से जानते हैं नेक्स्ट फ्रॉम मनीषा. मनीषा, व्हाट डू यू थिंक?
According to me, sir, boys' life is too tough because they had to bear a lot of responsibility in their childhood. They had to take care of their parents and they have to stay away from family since childhood.
Bye. You told they have to stay away from their family.
Yes.
How they stay away from the family?
Because they have to take
For their education.
Yes, sir. They have to earn money, get knowledge. So they have to stay away from family. Because so I really appreciate for these boys because they are doing well in their life. In front of us there are many examples of boys. I have some lines for boys. In the bag on shoulders of the boys, there is expectation of their parents and their tons of relatives. He is full of all these. Swear he's full of all this. Swear is too very heavy. New relationships are not made. So once old relationships once are broken first.
Yeah.
So boys life is not easy. Boys life is full of taunt. Being a boy is not easy. They confine their dreams to dreams in front of the pleasure of the house. Farewell is not for everyone, but farewell is for everyone. For everyone, because but when the boy leave the house to run house, then there is no special discussion. So
Okay, Manisha, I'm observing you. You are getting emotional while doing this discussion. As you told that boys have lots of responsibility to fulfill, and there is lots of expectation from the boys. हम हमारे घर में भी देखते हैं, हमारे भाई या हमारे पापा जी, उनसे बहुत सारी एक्सपेक्टेशन रहती हैं. अच्छा, उसके साथ साथ क्या होता है कि कई बार बच्चों के ऊपर, लड़कों के ऊपर बहुत सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आ जाती है. साथ में उनके एक तरफ उनके साथ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, दूसरी तरफ उनके साथ क्या है, उनके सपने पूरे करना. अगर वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ना निभाएं तो टॉन्ट मिलेंगे, अगर वो सपने पूरे ना कर पाए तो टॉन्ट मिलेंगे. सो प्लीज़ हैव योर सीट. मनीषा का कहना यही है कि बॉयज़ होना इतना आसान नहीं है. गर्ल्स के स्ट्रगल दिख जाते हैं, बॉयज़ के स्ट्रगल कोई ऑब्जर्व नहीं कर पाता है. तो हम बॉयज़ से जानते हैं. विशाल, व्हाट डू यू थिंक बेटा?
Sir, according to my opinion, girls' life is not easy. The girls' struggle started before their birth. People kill them in their mother womb, and they don't have any chance to fulfill their dreams, and they don't have permission to go anywhere and do anything. Without this thing, they live with compromise with his dreams and his goals. If we talk about my mother, she do all work of my home. She is stopless.
Please have your seat. Vishal wants to say that there is lots of expectation, restriction, and taunt for the girls. Even they do better for as comparison to boys. So good. Anyone else want to speak? Yes, Monica. What do you want to say?
According to me, boys' life more difficult than girl. Boys raises on expectation as soon as they're born. Since childhood, everyone expect boys. Everyone accepted for boys. If you are boys, so you can't cry, because crying is the proof of bigness.
No. Many people say that. क्या है, लड़की की तरह रो रहा है? Yeah, like this.
Yes.
Yeah.
When a boy get mature, so everyone has accept boys started earning. If boys are not earn, he is useless. No one knows and no one understand boys' mind. Boys while boys carrying his family, so no one appreciate boys.
Very good. Please have your seat. So, anyone else want to speak from this group? ओके, हमारे साथ एक छोटी सी बच्ची है. यस, बेटा आपको टॉपिक के बारे में पता है ना?
Yes.
अच्छा, सबसे पहली बात व्यूअर्स मैं आपको बता दूं, इस बच्ची को ज़्यादा समय नहीं हुआ, लगभग 15 से 20 दिन अभी तक हुए हैं, बट स्टिल वी वांट टू नो हर व्यूज. व्हाट डू यू थिंक, हुज लाइफ हैज़ अ स्ट्रगल?
According to boys' life is very difficult, because boys is very hard working and kindly person. Some boys are good, like my father is hard working and kindly person. Everyone is say girls is tomorrow, but I think boys is also good. Thank you.
ओके, वेरी गुड. सो व्यूअर्स प्लीज हैव योर सीट. व्हाट डू यू थिंक, आपके अकॉर्डिंग आपको क्या लगता है कि किसके जीवन में ज़्यादा संघर्ष होते हैं, एक लड़के के जीवन में या फिर एक लड़की के जीवन में? और आपको कमेंट बॉक्स में ये भी बताना है कि इन सारे स्पीकर्स में सबसे बेहतर किसने बोला है. थैंक यू सो मच टू वॉच आवर वीडियो केयरफुली. थैंक यू सो मच.